Our ambassador Jared Iyer has worked as a plumbing foreman for Vision Mechanical in Reading, Pennsylvania for 22 years. As he puts it, he comes from a vast Celtic heritage, with roots in Scotland, Ireland, Wales, and Britannia, to name a few places, and a dash of Sardinian so he can maintain a good tan. Some of his strongest ties are to County Carlow, Ireland, and the O'Neilan clan. Jared's passion, really you could say his way of life, is scouting. He's been in scouting since 1986, following very proudly in the footsteps of his great-grandfather and his uncles. In fact, Jared's family has been involved in the organization since about 1915. So, starting as a Cub Scout, Jared worked his way up through the entire program. He is currently a 30-year veteran status holder in the BSA. You'll notice the last item there is the coveted wood badge. That accomplishment allows the bearer to wear a special McLaren tartan neckerchief or even a McLaren tartan kilt as part of their uniform. Jared says his McLaren muted kilt is his absolute favorite because he worked so damn hard to earn it. Today, Jared spends most of his free time doing maintenance and improvement work for the Hawk Mountain Scout Reservation, which is near the famous Hawk Mountain Bird Sanctuary in Kempton, Pennsylvania. His son is, of course, also involved in scouting, so Jared is continuing to work very hard at many levels. He's basically done it all, from Weeblo's den leader to associate lodge advisor and beyond. He currently holds 5 different positions simultaneously in the organization. As he puts it, "My world revolves around service and serving the youth." And Jared is happy to get his hands dirty doing this work. At Hawk Mountain, he started with small jobs back in 2014. More recently, he spent the last 3 years of his free time replacing and repairing 6,000 feet of water main and 4,000 feet of pool piping, plus installing a brand new pump house for the properties on a 700-acre facility. Even during COVID, when things were shut down, Jared spent 6 weeks rebuilding the Scouts' dining hall kitchen. And this summer, you'll find him living on site to make sure everything is A-OK and working perfectly for the camping season. As for kilts, Jared says he has always had an interest in them, but he didn't really pull the trigger on his own until 2019. His collection now is up to 15 kilts. He says, "My heritage means everything to me. I try to incorporate it and kilting into most of what I do. I wear a kilt whenever and wherever I can, currently averaging about 3 days a week." So once in a while, Jared is not scouting, so you'll find him camping in state parks or attending Renaissance fairs and Celtic festivals. If you ever have a chance to meet him, take a little time to learn about what scouting can really do for a young man, and how service can help keep you young at heart.
Hey, thank you for watching our video. If you want to see more content like this, do the bell thing and the subscribe thing and share these videos. Let your friends know what we're doing. That would be super cool.